Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I got a very interesting video for you, a jam-packed video for you. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can leverage off the internet and make passive income like $50 to $100 a day. But this will take some time and some work, so stay tuned and I will show you a way to get free traffic. But before I start, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, so it will really help boost the algorithm and people will be able to see this free strategy that you're going to get. So let's start. It's going to be a quick and short video. So guys, the first site I want you guys to come to is called freeplrdownloads.com. So this site have free PLR. So PLRs are private label rights. It means you can resell the product as is. You have the permission to resell a product, so you can sell anything here, anything you choose. So you can actually go download the item, click on CPA. We know people, since it's lockdown, since lockdown came in, people are more into online things like forex trading and internet marketing. So if you click on a book, as you can see the name of the book, you can see the description, and you're gonna come and download the book, obviously. As you can see, downloaded it twice, so you can download any book. No, I downloaded so much books, but you can download any book from this website, any book. You just search. If you search trading, and forex trading is quite big now. It has been big for a while, like the past 5 years. So you can actually get books from here, download it. So once you download to your local machine, CPA King. So I'm gonna use an example of the CPA King, the book I just downloaded, which was this one, and it has a little description. So when he downloads, you'll come to your downloads. I created a folder called ebooks because I've been doing this a lot. It's a new strategy that I'm testing. I just started now lately. So you paste that book in a separate folder, extract it, extract here. So as you can see, CPA King, it comes with the book, with the permission to sell. See, MRM license. Yes, you can sell. Okay, and as you can see, here's all the permissions, what I was talking about earlier. You can sell, you can edit, you can be bundled with other page, you can use as a bonus, so you can give away. So you have the permission, you won't get in trouble. If you're using internet marketing, these are the squeeze pages. Squeeze page is basically where you capture people's email or the sales page or something. Okay, but in this example, after you downloaded the book and you copied it into a specific folder and extracted it, now comes a very interesting part. People struggle with traffic, right? So the site that I want you to come to is called payhip.com. So payhip.com, this is a site where you can sell free electronic products, free books, free whatever you want to. So as you can see, this is my new account which I just registered about a few days ago. As you can see, I got many books here already. You can see I'm getting views. Look at that views. Like I'm getting a lot of views on this book, and soon the more I push, I'll be able to get sales. Remember that the aim is anything that you do, you need to be consistent. You can't do something one day and expect to make sales. You have to do it for like 2-3 weeks or a month, and then go back and see what works and what doesn't work, right? As you can see from the books, you can see this love spell books and untold secret, they have more views, but the book that we download is CPA King. So once you come to this website, it's free to register. You don't need to pay a cent to register. And if you refer other people to the site, you will get paid like $10. So after you come and register at the site, you go to products. After you go to products, you go add new products. So we're selling a digital product, right? You can even sell a physical product. It's a very powerful site. There's like 300 million users a month that come to the site. So upload product file, we go to our folder, ebook, As you can see, it's already pointed to my ebook folder. You upload CPA King, right? Your title will be CPA. Now here's the interesting part. You can give it any price, but when giving it a price, don't put it at a very high price. Don't put it at a very low price. I suggest you put like 15 to $10 to $15. If it's a great book, then you can put maybe $30. But after putting a price, you upload your book cover. It's already done for you. Everything is there. That's how I'm showing you the strategy. It's one of the easiest strategies. So after that, your description, you'll go to the site. You'll write the same description as this, right? The same. So they don't allow you to copy on the site. They actually block people from copying. So the site I can see is created with WordPress. They enable copy protection. So which means you can't highlight this part and copy everything from here. As you can see, you can't. This is actually an image. So we're going to copy this description. The whole description of the book. So introduction to CPA King. You don't have to copy the whole description. You can actually read the description and summarize it. So you can say making serious cash with CPA marketing. Inside the ebook, you will discover topics what CPA marketing is and how to do it. Your CPA rhythm, your CPA strategy, and so it's basically how to do CPA marketing. So introduction to CPA, and after that you can put you will discover topics such as how to do CPA. I hope you guys will know what CPA marketing is. Cost per action. Basically, when you someone fills in a mail or email or capture any details of this, you get a commission. I made videos like that in my previous videos. Content like that in my previous videos. So how to do CPA marketing, your rhythm, CPA networks, CPA. You don't have to do it exactly like me, the description. You can do it your own way. Some of you guys are good at summarizing things. Design, CPA design, and then what's the last one? Ways to promote your CPA product. As you can see, the strategy is very quick. It's literally taken me minutes. Ways to promote your CPA product. And there's it done. So we uploaded our book, we got our image, we got our price. Once you're done, you say add product. Then your product will add. You can add how many products you want. Once your product is added, and you can share this link, but you don't even. I suggest you share it, but there is people that come to Payhip, because Payhip is a very big site. Payhip and Scribd. As you can see, here's our book. If you go buy now, it will take you to the checkout. Once they buy the book, email or whatever, they ask for your PayPal email. Yes, the $10 or $15 will be yours. I'm not sure. I think these guys take a very small percentage of your profit, but not that much percentage. As you can see, I already added 11 products, and this is for free, guys. You're not paying for this. Come on, you can't let this pass you. It's a very easy strategy. It's simple. Just upload products. That's all you do. So what I suggest you do, right? This can be like a little library, right? They upload books from any website, not only free PLR. There's other sites that have free books. You can upload 100 books and put it online and make it your library. Like if your name is John, you can say John Library, and you make a Instagram page, John Library, and your description and things will be, since it's lockdown and we very limited going places and we don't want to avoid the spread of corona. I've decided to make my own library, and once you put a description, you put your links and you post books every day, pictures of books and some content like you showing the book and how the book you benefiting from the book. You can even read these books yourself. You can get knowledge online yourself. There's many books, email marketing, how to do marketing online, how to trade forex. There's like the sky is the limit. So I hope you guys found this video adding value to your life, and if you did, please leave a like to boost the algorithm and subscribe, so when I make more content like this you will be notified. Also, I will leave these links in the description for the free PLR site and the pay site. So thank you very much guys for watching, and please try this today. Even if you get 5 sales a week, it's good. These are not high ticket sales. You can do high ticket sales, but high tickets, it's a bit more complicated. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos.